everybody. As I mentioned last episode, this episode was rough. So where we ended off was we just died to a big mouse. Big hurdy mouse. There's a lot of deaths. So I hope you enjoy. We're just gonna hop right into it. Prepared to feel bad, I guess. It's have a good laugh is all I can say. All right, enjoy. Yeah, whatever. I hate that guy because it's so hard to jump over him. Because he's so gosh dang tall. I don't like it down here. And yet I must go because my money's down here. And I'd do anything to get my monies back. Those guys. Hey, real quick, what's down here? No. Bad. Ew. Okay, at least I can get up. Stupid mouse. Okay. Alright, I'm going to get my monies. Unfortunately. Okay, I at least got my money, but I can't get back up. Okay. Oh, I can heal. Oh, thank heavens. Okay, I was doing that unnecessarily with 1 health. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. That leads me back up there. Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy though. For killing me. You a-hole. Okay, one shot. Why did you dash that way? Wow, that death was very dramatic. I can't get up except for up here. So, here I go. I hate this place. This place sucks. Ooh, yes, give me your silk. So scary. Oh, you little rat mother effer. So far, these big fat rats have been the worst enemies in this whole gosh dang game. Perfect. Now I can get past you. So annoying I can't just run past that guy because his big, tall head is in the way. Hop down here, go over here, hop down here. Gotta go find my monies again. Come on, Hornet. Yup. Brother. Ah! Oh, you little mouse. Stupid. Get down here so I can kill you. Thank you. No. Ah! Okay. Woo! Yeah, sounds about right. If I had died again, I was gonna be so upsetty spaghetti. Alright, we got one more hit. Uh-oh. Man. I'm just a little bit upset. This place. No! Gosh. Yeah, die. Dramatic piece of trash. Oh, watch me die to the little guy. Ha! Nah. Just kidding. I can't even do anything in here. Are you kidding me? No. Come on. Oh. No. You baby rat. Oh, I have some choice bad words for you. You little... You're lucky I don't swear, or I'd be calling you some real foul names right now, you small little mother effer. This place is the bane of my existence, and I just wish I had a gosh dang map. I've died so many times in this place, and there's probably a stupid boss at the end of this gosh dang thing. Alright, come here, you little mouse. Awesome. Got another one. F me. Woo. Yes! Secret or shortcut. One of the two. No, I ran into it! Ha 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 ha. Die. Ooh, shiny. Haha, I got it. Shiny! What do you got for me? Memory locket? What is that? Expand a crush. Is that like charm slots? If that's what it is, that would be pretty balla. Now we're going up here. Let me out! Oh gosh, please let me out. Oh, it's back to the Bell Bee station. Oh, cool, look at that. Okay, holy shoot. Thank heavens, I'm out of there. There's probably some stuff I didn't get, some places I didn't explore. I don't care. Let me out of that gosh dang place. So, I'm still looking for chakra because I honestly do not know where I'm going. And I've got plenty of money now to probably buy both maps. Let me see. Yeah, definitely, as well as like something else that I may want. The problem is just finding her. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, dude, I just got done with a really... I'm not losing my mind. You're losing your mind. Guys, greatest game of all time. Shade's gonna be all the way on the other freaking side. Can I not run into a gosh dang enemy for once in my gosh dang life? That goes up. Why does that go up? If I'm gonna die. I was about to say, if I'm gonna die, at least let me be closer. And I was about to run to the right, but then I just died anyway. Ah! Okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm not tilted at all. Dive, please. Dive. Gosh. I hate that guy with a burning passion. That guy absolutely freaking sucks. Worst enemy of all time. Why do they make him so gosh dang tall that I can't freaking just jump over him? At least my guy is right here. Yay, my money. Just heal real quick. Okay, boss. Yay. I got one hit. Wow. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. And then I just kill myself again. How does one not ram their freaking face into the boss every 5 seconds? How? Oh, you pissin' a-hole. I hate you with a burning freaking passion. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. My money, my money, my money. Don't get upset, don't get upset, don't get tilted. You're gonna lose all your money. Just run, just run. It's fine. It's fine. No, but like seriously, how do you not ram your face into the boss every 5 seconds? Get good, scrub. I love myself. I love myself. I'm so good at this game. I'm so good. I'm so good. I love flying enemies. They're so fun. F you. Yes, yes, yes. Of course, of course, of course, of course, of course. We love to frickin' see it. And now I have to deal with these stupid pieces of trash again. Oh, look at that! I somehow managed to get over top of its head. I don't know how I did that. Probably won't be able to ever do that again. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm not upset. Look at cute Hornet. Look how cute she is when she floats. Oh. Alright, come here, you piece of trash bug. Oh my gosh. Every boss doing 2 damage is quite insane. Like, I'm not one to really get upset. Oh. I hate that guy in particular. Anyway, I was about to say, I'm not super one to like get upset at the design of games. Usually I'm just like, play better, get good scrub. But it's like really not beginner friendly at all, which is fine. You know, that's how the developers clearly intended it. But it's crazy. I will say, pretty much every single boss doing 2 damage is quite insane. And the hitboxes, like, sometimes I swear I was not even like close to the boss. Don't kill me while I'm healing. Yeah. Should have ran away a little bit farther. So you make like one mistake and then you're just effing dead. Well, technically you make 2 mistakes, but like, I hate this mouse. Like, I hate that effing. You too. I hate you too. You can also die. Ooh. You and your big fat tall effing head. Perfect. Here we go again. Rah. What is that? What is it? Hurry, hurry. You. Oh, whoa. I'm still alive? How? You. Mother effer! My husband just gave me a look. Nope, I'm not gonna do it again. I've done that like 3 times. You! Mister! Okay, that was on me. That one was on me. Don't kill me, please. I'm gonna go rest at the bench again. And my stupid thing is all the way on the other side. Love that. No, why did I heal right there? Okay. Why does that go up? Okay, deep breath. You got deep breath, Sky. Take a deep breath. It's okay. It's okay. I missed, of course. Ooh, yeah. Of course. It goes up! Why the F doesn't go up like that? That's so... I promise, guys, I'm having a really fun time. I promise, I'm having so much fun right now. Other than that stupid tall guy, at least the run back ain't too bad. Okay, I have this guy loaded. He just needs to be not stupid. That still had a hitbox. Why? Love you. You effing a-hole. hate you. I hate you with a burning freaking passion. You hit the gosh dang freaking piece of flying poop. Your stupid face. Great boss. No. Really? Really? Okay, well, I need to stop doing that, because I'm just... Finally! Gosh freaking finally. That should not have taken as long as it did. Okay, well, you know, I should feel happy about that. I just feel dead inside. Please, something to make me happy. Ooh, cutscene. Okay. Ew. That doesn't make me happy. That doesn't make me happy at all. Okay, well, anyway, that's the end of this episode. I haven't gotten tilted like that in a hot minute. I don't normally get tilted at games, but I have to admit, that stupid bat flying little freak, that stupid vampire looking stupid moth mooring piece of trash got me quite tilted, and it really shouldn't have. He had like 5 moves, and I don't know, man. I don't know. Anyway, he did not lead to something happy. This is horrible and very disturbing. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.